What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're coming to you from Shamba Lodge in Arusha. We arrived in Arusha yesterday and we spent the night at cabin C. So we want to take you on a tour of the cabin C and the cabin A as well, for you to experience how the cabin looks and things to look out for if you want to come to Shamba Lodge. So come with us.
Karibu.
So we just arrived at Shamba Lodge. We're about to check in. It already looks amazing. So this is cabin C.
So the first cabin we checked into was cabin C. So from the entrance there are seats where you can sit, relax and enjoy the views. The hall of the cabin was quite spacious for 2 people, comfortable seats to relax and also possible to have one bed or sleep on the couch if needed. The stairs lead to the bedroom, a concept I really loved. The bed is very cozy with a mosquito net and you can even enjoy the views here as well. I'd say the best part for me is just relaxing and watching the sun set on the plains of Arusha. Cabin C is definitely a dope option you have to check out if you want to come to Shamba Lodge or Arusha. I'll talk about the surroundings a bit as the lodge has additional facilities aside the cabins. They have a very nice sitting area where you can host guests who visit for meetups or even to relax outside. The lodge also has a very nice minimalistic restaurant where all kinds of delicious meals are served based on your request.
Enjoying your breakfast?
Yes. I'm loving it.
Yeah.
Shamba Lodge is amazing.
There's also a bar and lounge section at the top where you can order drinks and relax, and also have great meetups if you prefer sitting indoors. Another concept from Shamba Lodge which I loved was the fireside area, which illuminates at night. Here you can warm yourself up, even meet up with other guests and have great conversation as you wind down the day. The following morning we moved to the bigger cabin, which is cabin A, and was the first cabin that was built in this project. This cabin was much more spacious and had more amenities like its own pool. So definitely this is most people's favorite option when you're booking Shamba Lodge. Butaina is going to take us on a tour of this cabin so you experience what's inside.
So what we have here is cabin A. That's one of the biggest cabins and the main cabins we'd call it because it has additional kitchenette inside. So this is the living area and it's bigger than the other places. Still the same cabin concept, a tiny house concept, but with the kitchenette and dining area. So basically here, this one caters for self-catering if you don't want to have any foods at the restaurant. But the restaurant has amazing meals and I'd prefer that over anything. So here's the dining area and we have a fridge here. This one has an added advantage, fridge. And this is the kitchenette, fully equipped kitchen with the gas. And behind is outside is like an open space where you can chill as you watch the sunset or watch the view. The view is spectacular here. And the plunge pool there. Now, let me give you a tour of what is upstairs. Alex, come with me.
You kill me. She'll kill me! Okay. What is up here?
Welcome to one of the biggest rooms in this place. That bed is one of the most comfortable beds I've had. Like, it's really comfortable. You have the whole same lamplight setup as the other cabin, but with an lounge here. And this lounge, interestingly, so this sofa turns into a sofa bed.
Wow.
So if you have extra people coming with you and you're not sharing a bed with them, that's where they go. I would recommend this for families because they usually have kids and the kids can have the sofa bed. It's amazing. And most importantly is the view you have from up here, because it's an open space so you can see what's happening down there. And the view of Mount Meru from here. So we have a view. Right now it's nighttime, but during morning the view of Mount Meru is spectacular. Yeah. So this you have here like it's more of like what is this called, Alex?
This is safe.
A safe. No, it's a casket.
It's a casket?
That's
for
where
dead people?
No, it's like a casket that you just store beddings and all, or anything. But you can. It's actually heavier. You can use it as a safe.
So you can't lock it?
No, you can't. So it
Why
can
is
be
it
a
called
safe.
Casket. Casket is for dead bodies.
Okay, so
oh, look at that! Oh my god!
Woo!
This is
so
amazing.
this is wow. The view is spectacular. I think in this place, I wouldn't even be selling the accommodation. I'd be selling the view.
This
A
is
moment
just
of
amazing.
silence
Yes.
for what we're hearing right now.
This is just... I don't know what to say. I'm just speechless. And I'm so excited that...
I feel like jumping on this bed.
I'm so excited that we're able to spend some good time here at Shamba Lodge.
Yeah, and the fact that you can actually watch the sunset from here, and there's seats here.
I think there's a light. Let's try and turn on the light.
Yeah, let me
there's
do
a
that.
light.
I forgot that. Sorry.
Wow.
There you go.
And then there's another top light.
Yeah.
Let's check if
Do they have that
I
here?
think they have the light.
No, I don't think it's there. I think that's a special light.
Sure. But
Yeah.
still, the view looks still stunning.
I think it's better this way. It looks so. I'd say it has a very romantic view.
Mm-hmm.
I'd
Okay.
want to sit here with my partner and enjoy this view and just enjoy each other's company. So definitely, cabin A is something we would want to sell and actually want to enjoy. So you all should look into visiting Shamba Lodge in Arusha. It's just 10 kilometers away from the Arusha city, and from Namanga border I think it took us 2 hours. Yeah, which is not much. That's amazing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so it's actually very convenient for you if you're driving. And if you're flying down, you can fly down to either Jomo Kenyatta, not Jomo Kenyatta, either Kilimanjaro Airport, or which is around an hour and a half from here. Let's say almost like 1 hour 45 minutes. Yeah, so it's actually convenient whether you fly. You should be here for sure.
Yes. So what do you have to say to our viewers?
Okay.
This is heavy.
I would say that you should definitely contact Travel Plugs so that we can plug you such kind of accommodation. Alex came all the way from Ghana for this.
Shamba Lodge has been amazing. Thank
Yes.
you guys so much for watching this video. See you
Tune
the
in
next
and
one.
subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to Alex Taki.
Bye-bye.
And follow us, Travel Plug, on social media.
All right, see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.